Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
चिंबलाच्या युनिटी मॉलाक बांदकाम परवानो दिवचो अशे बीडीओच्या अर्दी प्रमाण पंचायतीच्या उपसंचालकान चिंबलाचे पंचायतीक आदेश दिल्लो जाल्यार उत्तर गोंय डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टान पंचायतीच्या संचालनालयान दिल्ली अर्द स्थगीत दवरली.
North Goa District Court has ordered interim stay on the order of Deputy Director of Panchayat regarding the Unity Mall at Chimbel. Initially, the village Panchayat of Chimbel had rejected GTDC application for construction license for Unity Mall, which was challenged before the video. Tiswari video had ordered village Panchayat of Chimbel to issue the construction license for Unity Mall within 48 hours. But that order was challenged before the Deputy Director of Panchayat, and the Deputy Director of Panchayat, dismissing that appeal, had ordered village Panchayat of Chimbel to comply with the order of the video. Now the district court has ordered a stay on the effect of the order of Deputy Director of Panchayat till 17th December.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस आनी सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.